welcome once again to my channel. I'm glad to see you once again in this exciting video. In this video I'm sharing with you um how to make vegetable sauce. Is it vegetable sauce or steamed vegetables? Yes, this is with green leaves. I'm using some pepper, salt, some seasoning cubes, onions, and of course vegetables. If you saw my last video, you see that I bought a whole chunk of green leaves because my husband needed to take it as per advised by the doctor. So I'm using this really large pot. This is a pot I use for maybe I'm making bulk cooking, not regularly. Like if I have guests around and stuff like that, I can take up to 10 to 12, in fact up to 20 cups of rice. So this I'm pouring into the, I've already washed and cut these vegetables and drained them. The idea of this is really to have something handy that you can grab and go. So I'm making all these vegetables so that I can freeze them and pack them in individual um, plates, and then I can warm them up or heat them up anytime I'm ready to eat with rice or just plain. Yes, if your tongue can tolerate it, then you can eat it plain. It's part of healthy living, right? But if you cannot, you can dilute with rice or anything else. You can use it for beans, you can use it for rice, you can use it for yam. The amount of spices here as shown in this video is not exhaustive because I ended up adding more. Even I ended up adding crayfish as well because it's a lot of vegetables. I know and you have to spice it or prepare it in a way that it tastes good in your mouth. I'm layering this vegetable because it's a lot. I don't want to pour all the spices and ingredients on top of all of the vegetables and now have to struggle with stirring them. So I'm having to layer them gradually so that at the end of the day it's easy to mix. Like I said earlier, spices or whatever it is you decide to use for this kind of same vegetables is up to you. It's based on your choice. So I'm adding more vegetables to this. This is really, like I said before, steamed vegetables made with green. You can use ugu, you can use any vegetable of your choice. It's all a matter of choice. But green leaves are very cheap. It's very, very, very cheap in Nigeria. If you don't want to use this and you want to consume green leaves, you can also juice them. Juicing now requires maybe you use a good blender, and then that will require you adding some water into it. But if you have a good juicer, you can just juice it directly and then drink the water. Yes, after drinking the water, then you can use the chaff or the vegetables for anything else, maybe for porridge, beans, or even egusi soup. Yes, you know that you can use green leaves for vegetable for egusi soup. A friend of mine tried it once for me and it felt strange, but eventually I started to love it. It was nice, really. Yes, I was already used to having ugu or bitter leaf in my egusi soup, but when I had it with green leaf, well, but the disadvantage is that the green leaves the taste changes sometimes too soon. I don't really know how to explain it, but for that first time, in my opinion, it's nice. But if you freeze it, yeah, I think the taste can be retained. Have you had the experience with green leaves inside vegetables? Please share your thoughts with me. Let me know what you think about it. I think it's nice, not bad after all. Yes, because it's really up to your choice what you decide to cook with and what vegetables you decide to use. So have fun, explore, you know, change from time to time to something different and see how it goes. This is a lot of vegetables, trust me guys. It's going to take a lot of space in my freezer. I probably will not do this again after I've done this, maybe not in this quantity anymore. I personally prefer to have lettuce and cabbage handy when you use as you like, but my husband chose this, so but yeah, what can I do? But I would do this, but not like every day or every time. I could have this in the freezer, and when I feel hungry and I don't feel like eating any starch, I just grab it, warm it up, and eat with maybe my chicken or beef or fish, whatever it is I choose to. And I can even decide I don't want to eat anything with it, and then I'll still be good. Can eat it with what's it called, agidi, yes, yam, anything, rice. Trust me guys, you can do this. I'm an advocate of healthy living. I preach healthy living. I preach frugal living, that's living life within your means. I preach budgeting, savings, and all of that. If you like these kinds of videos, please be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can get more of the notify, and click on the notification bell so that you can get notifications anytime I share a new post. I would love to see you around. If you like this video, please drop your comments below, share with your friends. I would love to have feedback from you. It helps me a lot, guys, if you do that. So I'm stirring with my big spatula, big size spatula, not the regular spatula, because this is a big pot and it's deep. When preparing this kind of steamed vegetables, you don't want the vegetables to be cooked. Or once you've stirred properly and it just steamed for like 1 or 2 minutes, this one now it can be up to 5 minutes because the pot is large and the vegetables are plenty. Just bring it off. You don't want it to be soft. You want that greenness in the leaves to still be showing and glaring. Yes, that's what freshness is. As long as you've washed the vegetables properly with salt or vinegar, if possible. Yes, or and then you make sure that all the germs and dirt are out of the vegetables. You're good to go. I hope this video is able to help you in one way or another to practice healthy living at home on a cheap, on a cheap budget, like not tearing your pocket. All these vegetables cost about 6 to 700 naira. It's a lot of vegetables, you know. I hope this is able to help you. If it does, please let me know in your comment, in the comment section, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I would really appreciate it. Share with your friends and stick around by subscribing so that you can get notified anytime I share a new post. I love you guys. I'll see you in another video. Until then, for now, I will just pack all this and put in my freezer and be eating them small small. You know what I mean? I'll see you in another video, guys. Yeah, my vegetables are ready. It's ready. I'm going to get this off the heat now and then freeze. I'm not able to see all the water coming out from that. Yes, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.